You have to discuss these issues. Then you have to prioritize 3 aspects of each issue. Then third step is you have to identify a moderator within the group who will come and talk here. Right? So time starts now. You get 10 minutes.
Hello guys, welcome to the vlog. Today is a very special day. US embassy people are coming to encourage women entrepreneurs. So we are in SMIT and we are about to show you the different lab and working spaces in SMIT. Actually this is the center, Atal Incubation Centre, which is headed by Professor Tej. So this is the space, you can see it's a very beautiful space, and this is a XR lab, extended reality lab. So what they are saying is that they are trying to recreate this space for the virtual reality. And this is the working space. You can see Sumit sir is with us. Hello. As always. This is the working space. The most amazing part out here is this flash force. This is 3D printing machine. All this stuff, all these products you can see has been printed from this machine itself. It's very amazing. So different machines and machineries are here which the entrepreneurs can use. This is acrylic cutting machine. This is laser cutting machine, which is imported from China. These are all the different brands. These are different startups which have been initiated by AIC SMIT. This is also a product of one of the startup from AIC. This is a biometric cycle, and the company name is Zoom Cycle. This is an ideation hub, and this is the working space for the incubators out here. You can see this is a space where they can give presentation, and there are different spaces out here. Like you can see, this is a working space. This is for Take Effect Heel Breach. Heel Breach is the brand which is created by one of our own alumni of DHS.
AIC SMUIT for hosting us here. So Dr. Tej, sir, he has been our alumni. So there was a program called Incubator Manager Training Program, which we had conducted in 2019, and that's when I first met him. So I was the facilitator as well as the program director for that program. And all these initiatives are supported by the US Consulate across the country. And Academy of Women Entrepreneurs, is a specialized program. I'm sure you all know of Ivanka Trump. Heard of Ivanka Trump, Trump's daughter? Yeah. So this was Ivanka Trump's dream project, right? It started from the White House, spread across the globe, as Sir just mentioned, across more than 80 countries. India it first came in 2020, just at the peak of COVID, if you can, imagine. And our first, program was in the 5 states of Northeast. So we started with Assam, Meghalaya, Manipal, Nagaland, and Arunachal Pradesh. So, we got some very amazing 150 women entrepreneurs. And then the challenge was actually, putting them through an in-person program and putting them through an online training. So this program has a component of online training, which is called Dream Builder. So it's a program specially made for women entrepreneurs, and you get a certificate on completion from University of Arizona. Then there is going to be in-person facilitation, which means that we'll come here with our experts and work with you on the business skills. We also have a US expert who will come for business communication training. And then towards the end, we have a pitching session where you will pitch before a jury and investors. This is your time to introduce you to us. So what we do is just in 1 minute, and we go across the room, as I said. You tell us about your name, what you do, and very importantly, what inspired you to be an entrepreneur. So I will start with an example of me. I'm Dr. Divya Rajput. I'm the lead facilitator for Academy of Women Entrepreneurs. And in addition to this, I'm also the CEO for India's first incubator, which is JSS Science and Technology Entrepreneurs Park. So yeah, that's my work profile. But the reason I chose to be an entrepreneur is because I saw these amazing, women across the country, rather across the Southeast Asia region where I was working, 4 years ago. And I saw that, the way women treat businesses is so different than how men treat businesses. And I said, given my background, what is it that I can do to support or maybe, accelerate their journey? And I decided to become an entrepreneur, and, I set up a non-profit, it's a think tank. And we started working with the US government, we started working with a couple of incubators across the country. So that's what I precisely do. Now, let's go across the room. As I said, maybe if it's okay, sir, starting with you. You can talk about, what motivated, in case you don't feel you're an entrepreneur yet, and I can see some students are there, just tell us, what is that triggers, a mindset in you where you want to be a problem solver. Okay? Talk to us about it. Over to you.
My name is Durvani Momo. I am a faculty of computer science and engineering. Entrepreneur is all about, as I entered today, there was some writing on the board which says, entrepreneur is not about making money, it's about solving everyday problems. So when I saw it, that's what we do too.
Exactly.
When we give projects to students, we make sure that the project, makes the life easier for the people instead of making money. That inspired me to come over here and do you want.
Right. Thank you so much for saying that. So, sir, if you could pass the mic, yes. So just talk to us about, why you think you're a great problem solver. And we'll take it up from there, okay?
Good morning, everyone. My name is Tia Guru, and I'm pursuing my BCom degree. I do a drop shipping business that is from online web. Then, what inspired me is not an inspiration, but as a student, I wanted to just make a not income also, but then kind of pocket money for myself instead of being a burden to the family. So because of that motive, I started the business. But then now, after 1.5 years or 2, now I'm after looking at the competition, I want to grow with it instead of having that motive of just pocket money, but competing with the other businesses that make them. That's made me grow with my business day by day.
Right.
Yeah,
Great. So we'll learn more about you when during the next 2 hours. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Just pass on the mic. Yeah.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Chen Pangu. pursuing BCom from Manipal. And, I'm a student, and right now I have a smoothie corner in Manipal. I want to start this business because I feel like there's a need of like healthy product in the market. So I started this business, and what inspired me is because I want to be independent in a very young age. I don't want to be closer to my family.
That's inspiring. Thank you. Thank you for sharing that.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Himali Agarwal, and I am pursuing English Corners. So from my childhood, what inspired me to become an entrepreneur is from my childhood I've seen my father being an independent person, businessman. So I have been to business from a very early childhood. So I always liked doing business. So this is what inspired me to become an entrepreneur. I always like being independent, so it helps me motivate myself.
Right. Good. Good. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Atal Incubation and I'm pursuing my BA from Sikkim University, and I'm also
Let there be around 6 people in one. So maybe one of you, anybody who wants to discuss now, first thing is you have to discuss these issues. Then you have to prioritize 3 aspects of each issue. Then third step is you have to identify a moderator within the group who will come and talk here. Right? So time starts now. You get 10 minutes.
What do you mean by market access challenge?
The logistical and the location.
Now the challenges to scaling up, you can come and be here. Come sit here. There is one quick request I would also like to make. So, something which we are also trying deeply is integration of technology in every domain.
I hope the session must have been very encouraging, fruitful, and motivating as a whole. And at the outset, as I am supposed to deliver the word of thanks, formally I would like to thank our guest, Dr. Divya Rajput, AWE facilitator from Academy of Women Entrepreneurs, Ms. Christina Grover, Program Manager at AWE, Ms. Aishwarya Mandal from US Consulate, Kolkata. I believe ma'am will be taking forward with our discussion with the university as well as our institute regarding the programs on the US Consulate. We are really thankful for your presence. In fact, it must have given a very wide perspective as well as very comfortable support to all our participants, the entrepreneurs who have been over here. At the outset, I'd like to thank Dr. Aditya, Mr. Sumit Agarwal sir, both from DHS SMU. Along with them, the very young entrepreneurs are very rightly put up by one of our women entrepreneurs saying that we feel excited looking at you people. And this is not the first time. Whenever we have had any such programs, it has been that under the mentorship of Dr. Aditya and Mr. Sumit, that these students especially, and as I have already informed you, we already have entrepreneurs amongst them. So they have been very excited, motivated to participate in any other programs that we have conducted for innovation, entrepreneurship or startup, whether it was at SMIT campus or whether it was at the university campus. So thank you once again for your people participating over here.
Getting back, Sumit sir is here, Subhash Bhusri and